Here's a GRE word problem. Let's have a look. 100 cards are to be distributed among 11 people. If everyone receives at least one card, but no two people receive the same number of cards, what is the greatest possible number of cards that one person could have? Well, the key idea here is understanding that if we want to maximize one person's one person's number of cards here, we need to minimize everyone else's, right? We have a fixed amount of cards to go around, only 100 to give out. And so in order to make one person to give one person as many cards as possible, we need to give everyone else as little as possible. You might say, well, great, everyone else gets one card. Not so fast, right? Because there's this condition that says no two people are allowed to have the same number of cards. So if I have 11 people here, and one of them is going to be our lucky winner, right? That means the other 10 have to have the smallest number of cards as possible. So the distribution is going to look something like this. First person is going to receive one card. The second person is going to receive two. The third person is going to receive 3, 4, 5, and so on, all the way up to 10. Now, again, the lucky person, the lucky winner who gets the maximum number of cards is going to have 100 minus the sum of all of these numbers, right? I'm going to add all these numbers together, and that's the sum that all these people have. So what is this sum? Well, you could do it on your calculator. Not the end of the world. A little annoying to have to punch all that in. But if you know the formula for the sum of series, then you're in luck. And if not, I'm going to give it to you right here. Here it is. So the formula to calculate the sum of consecutive integers like this is to take the last minus the first, plus 1, there we go, and multiply that by the last plus the first divided by 2. You ready for this? So the last minus the first, 10 minus 1 is 9, plus 1 is 10. And I'm going to multiply that by the last plus the first, 10 plus 1 divided by 2, that's 5.5. So that comes out to 55 cards. So the losers, as we'll call them, unfortunately, the people who have the minimum number of cards, have 55 cards total. And that means that all the rest of the cards go to the lucky winner, meaning that 45, because 55 plus 45 is 100. For more GRE tips and tricks, or to sign up for my live online course, follow the link on my profile.